1. Okay, move diri kamay, kids. Move diri kamay. Move diri kamay sa center. Everyone. I think, baby. Come here. Come here, come here. Move diri kamay, mga atas. Diri ka kamay. Okay. And of course, Ate Jessica, you are one of them. Yan. Our first game will be The Boat is Sinking. Alam niyo ba ang game na The Boat is Sinking? Kabalo mo na? I know. Okay, The Boat is Sinking. Okay. You're going to group yourselves according to the number that I have mentioned. Okay, so for example, when I say The Boat is Sinking, group yourselves into 3. Okay, so you have to find your group. Okay, palitan ka mo. Group yourself into 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay na siya. Na, then sila po 3. Na, then sila po 3. Kaya kung kinsa itong walay kauban, katong wala kaabot of 3, wala kaabot sa number na dinensyon ako, will be eliminated. Pero, you will be receiving a consolation prize. We have here the Kids Party crayons. Okay, so, ready na? Ready na, kids? I want more energy. Jolly! I want to hear my kids. Jolly! Jolly? Louder. Jolly! Big. Jolly? Big. Jolly? Big. Shock, ginanito niya. Jolly? Big. Jolly? Big. I love the energy. Jolly? Big. Wow. Okay, everyone, listen to Ate Charlotte. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2. Pakita mo naman, kaya doon ako doon. Papa, you're going to group yourselves according to the number that I have mentioned. And for those na wala siya group, will be eliminated. Okay? Okay, so try